Welcome to Cursive Lesson 24. Remember to put your heading on first always. Name, number, date, first and last name in cursive. And our directions: trace each letter and use the dots provided to practice writing each letter. Today we're working on capital letter L and Q. Neither one of those look like the print version, but this is letter L, and this Q looks very similar to a 2. Both of them are very loopy, so they're a little bit fun to make. Okay, for the L, we start about, if you don't have a starting dot, right at that middle dotted line, and we slant up, should touch the top, loop back, curve down to the bottom, okay, if you can see, then we loop back, go, and then this is where it's going to connect to the next letter. It does not have to go below the line, but this tracing version does. Starting dot, we're going to curve up, loop back, curve down to the bottom, loop back, cross, and make the tail. So starting dot, we're going to curve up, hopefully touch the top, loop back, cross, curve down, loop back, cross, and make your tail. Starting dot, we're going to curve up, loop back, curve down, loop back, cross, make your tail. Starting dot, we're going to curve up, hopefully touch the top, loop back, cross, curve down, loop back, cross, and make your tail. On this one I didn't go below the line, but that's where it's going to connect to the next letter. Starting dot, we're going to curve up, loop back, cross, touch the bottom, loop back, cross, touch the bottom. Okay, next one, we're going to curve up, touch the top, loop back, curve down, touch the bottom, cross, touch the bottom, make your tail. Starting dot, we're going to curve up, touch the top, loop back, cross, curve, touch the bottom, loop back, cross, touch the bottom, and your tail. Okay, next, practice a few more. Starting dot, curve up, loop back, cross, curve down, loop back, cross, make your tail. Starting dot, curve up, loop back, cross, curve down, loop back, cross, make your tail. Starting dot, we're going to curve up, loop back, cross, touch the bottom, loop back, cross, make your tail. Starting dot, we're going to curve up, loop back, cross, curve down, touch the bottom, loop back, cross, make your tail. So starting dot, I'm going to curve up, touch the top, loop back, cross, touch the bottom, loop back, cross, make your tail. Starting dot, we're going to loop up, sorry, curve up, loop back, cross, curve down, loop back, cross, touch the bottom, make your tail. Starting dot, we're going to curve up, touch, loop back, cross, touch the bottom, loop back, cross, make your tail. Starting dot, we're going to curve up, touch, loop back, cross, loop back, cross, make your tail. That was probably one of the more fun letters to make. Now on to Q. There is another version of Q, but this is more the traditional way of writing it. And it does look like a number 2. So we start on the dot. We're going to make a loop around, touch the bottom, curve down, loop back, cross, and make our tail. So So very similar to a number 2. Starting dot, we're going to loop back, touch the top, we're going to loop down, touch the bottom, loop back, and make our tail. Starting dot, we're going to make a loop, touch the top, curve down, touch the bottom, make your loop across, make your tail. Starting dot, we're going to loop around, touch the top, curve down, touch the bottom, loop back, touch the bottom, make your tail. Starting dot, we're going to loop down, touch the top, curve down, touch the bottom, loop back, touch the bottom, make your tail. We're going to make a loop, touch the top, curve down, touch the bottom, loop across, make your tail. Starting dot, we're going to loop around, touch the top, curve down, make your loop, cross, make your tail. Okay, starting dot, we're going to make our loop, touch the top, curve down, touch the bottom, loop back, across, make your tail. Some more cues. Starting dot, we're going to loop back, touch the top, we're going to curve down, touch the bottom, loop back, cross, make your tail. Starting dot, we're going to loop down, touch the top, curve back, touch the bottom, make your loop, touch the bottom, make your tail. Starting dot, we're going to make our loop, curve up, curve down, touch the bottom, loop back, cross, make your tail. Starting dot, we're going to loop around, touch the top, curve down, touch the bottom, loop back, cross, make your tail. Now the last ones that we do. Starting dot, we're going to loop around, touch the top, we're going to curve down, loop back, cross, touch the bottom, make your tail. Starting dot, we're going to loop around, touch the top, we're going to curve down, touch the bottom, loop back, cross, make your tail. Starting dot, we're going to make a loop, touch the top, curve down, touch the bottom, loop back, touch the bottom, make your tail. Last one, we're going to make our loop, touch the top, curve down, touch the bottom, loop back, cross, and make your tail. Alright, now we've practiced capital L and capital Q. Go ahead and practice some more on the back. And thank you for joining me.